Friends, today we will see word problems. So first question is, a piece of wire is 19.63 meter long. If it is cut into 13 equal pieces, or find the length of each piece. So what we have to do, we have given a length of the whole wire, we just need to find out the length of pieces. We'll find out total length is what? 19.63. In order to get the length of the equal number of pieces, we need to get the number of pieces are how many? We are having 13. So we'll divide it by 13, just 13 ones are 13. And after this decimal, we need to take this 6 downside. So as we take this 6 downside, we'll need to put this decimal upside. It will be 6 here. We'll write 13 5s are 65. One will left here. Again we'll take this 3 downside. So what we are having? 13 ones are 13. So the length of each equal piece is nothing but 1.51. That's in meter. So we are having next question now. A man has rupees 4,800 with him. He gives 1/6 of his to first son, 1/4 of the remaining to his second son, and the remaining to his wife. How much does his wife get? First of all, we need to write the given data. The given data is the total money amount, that is rupees 4,800. So we need to find out the first share of the first son. First son will get 1/6 of 4,800. What is 1/6 of? Of is nothing but the multiplication of 4800. 6 ones are 6 8s are. So means the first son will get amount 800 rupees. The first son is going to get the 800 rupees, and the next 1/4 of remaining, we need to get the remaining here. The remaining amount is what? We need to subtract 4,800 minus this 800. The remaining is 4,000. Of this remaining, we are going to give 1/4 to the second son. The second son is going to get the money 1/4 of this 4,000. That means 4 ones are 4. This is 1,000 rupees. 800 for the first son, 1,000 rupees for the second son. Now there is a turn of to give the remaining amount to his wife. So wife is going to get from the 4,000. We'll subtract the amount of second son, that is rupees 3,000. So wife is going to get 3,000 rupees. In this way, first son will get 800, second son will get 1,000, and the wife is going to get 3,000. And the man's total money is 4,800. Thank you.